Hi everyone, good to meet you all through this media once again. Trust the pandemic situation improves and the situation goes to the normal as like usual. Till the time we pray our near and dear ones are safe. This season we have worked with the Italian stylish and we developed more of the new concepts and the themes for the spring summer 2022 collections. In recent days a lot of discussion happening on sustainability. And during these pandemic situations, apart from the old initiatives which we have already taken, we have taken furthermore steps what we can do based on the sustainability, like saving water, energy, and also recycling the waste and the resources basically. Like recycling waste means converting the solid waste into the proteins, and the liquid waste we are converting into pure water, and also taking the sludge into biomanure. So these are the recycling waste what we are doing it. And with this, with a strong product development, with our innovations, with the products which we are going to offer for the spring summer 22, which are most with the competitive price ranges between prices like $1.60 to $2.20, and some unique products at a price range of $2.80. Here we would like to start with the themes and concepts for the spring summer 22. Here we are categorized into the 4 themes: simplify, regenerate, escape, and euphoric. Let we go individual themes one by one and what are the key points in the themes, and we will take the presentation forward. The first theme is simplify. Here what are the key points like extreme softness, matte and touchy, cloudy, opacified glasses, and natural pigments. The extreme softness is the lightweight leathers. We have categorized some of the lightweight leathers which are used for tubular sandals. You can see from the picture over here, and we will discuss about the articles in detail in this theme. The second concept is regenerate. What are the key 4 points in the regenerate? Resources and nature, recycle and reuse, ancient natural, nature and modernity. So here we speak about the articles more close to nature, that is eco-friendly leathers and biodegradable leathers. We have developed few articles into these both categories. Let we go into the articles in the later stage. The third concept is escape. Here we speak about iridescent, metallic night, natural malted, tactile recycling, and flowers. We will go into these articles further. You can see the concepts and images as shown here. The last concept is euphoric. Here we speak about glossy and metallic, floral exuberance, durable elegance, and sporty looks. We will see the articles in the later stages. So here what we have seen is all the 4 themes. You can see the picture of this. Now next the category is, we will split the articles into 7 different categories. One is basics with the freshness, lightweight leathers which include in the basics with the freshness, then eco-friendly leathers, biodegradable leathers. Then we have added a Bianco collection. Since it is spring summer, we have added a Bianco collections of plains and metallics, then the prints and fantasies, and the last sector is like lining collections, Fedora cluster. We will see one sector by one sector in the continuous presentation. As you know, we work with Italians for the concepts and themes. While we understand in the fashion industry, what is basic? Basic is not just the basics. Basic in the fashion industry has renovated into basic with freshness. That is the basic articles with a better touch, better look, with a better hand feel. That's what it goes to the basic. So what we have done here is, we have taken some of our basic collections, we have given some unique hand feel, unique feel, and unique touch to the leathers. Let me go one by one into the basic structures. Here we see the first article as baby suede. This is between the size like 2.5 to 3.4. Here you can see the very silky and soft hand feel of the leathers. That makes a very unique offering to the ladies' shoes. Bite on. It is with a slight waxes. When you do and polish, it gives a much more elegant look on the shoes. It is a very great article for the modern casuals for the women's footwear. The next article is Sauve. It is with a very fine grained sheep nappa with a very classic look on the shoes. So you can see the color ranges from a pastel, we can do till the dark colors. The next article is Ketty. This is a nubuck, goat nubuck with a very soft and silky hand feel. You can really feel the waxy surface to it. We can do it in any bright colors, and it is good for women's shoes and for any kind of casual constructions as well. The next article is Capra Smalto, which means a glazed goat. Here you can see the shine level from the leather, and also it's very good for dress shoes or dress casuals. Some colors we do it in chrome free. The next article is Roxy. You can see this is a very hot tumble grind with a very casual construction and with very price competitive article. This can be used for women casual and also men's casual. Here we don't have any color restrictions, and this is a hot tumbled article. The next article is Burro. This is basically a suede with a much more better unique hand feel when compared to the earlier suedes what we have. This is more silky and it is more softer leather actually. It can be used for any kind of women's shoes and also for the men's shoes. The beauty of this is it will have a very silky hand feel into the leather. The next article is Ancestral. This is from a sheep base. The beauty of this article is it has a very subtle and own appearance on the leather. So you can see the grain nature. It is made on the flush side. You can see the waxes on the surface, and it is a super soft materials. It gives a very good hand feel for a kind of slight casual constructions. Here you can see the next article called Sizzler. From the name itself, you know it will have a very sizzling effect on the leather. So this is made on the suede side, where the two-tone contrast is made with the black. We can also do a darker tone compared to a light base, and it gives a unique look on the leather. It can be great article for the casual shoes. The next category what we are going to see is the lightweight leathers. What are lightweight leathers? Lightweight leathers, basically we use very less chemical to make the leather, so the water used in the process is less, and the TDS, total dissolved solids, the effluent coming out from for making the lightweight leathers are very less actually. Let we see the articles, 5 articles what we made from the lightweight leather category. The first article is called Trapper. This is made from a goat leather but with a slight embossed, but it gives a very natural look on the leather with a very softy and wet tilts, and being very heavy leathers with a thickness 0.81, still it feels to be very softer and lightweight. Basically it gives a very good cutting value to the leathers. It's very good for casual shoes. The second article in lightweight is Jungle Suede. What do you mean by Jungle Suede? Basically it's like the nap will be slightly bigger. It gives a very casual look but with a very great hand feel, and it is good for a casual construction for both men's and women's shoes. The next article is Aurora PF. This is with a slight metallic on a sheep nappa, which gives a very elegant look onto the leather, and it is with a upgraded technology for the lightweight leathers. The next one is called Tube Nappa. Tube Nappa means like these leathers are used for tubular sandals. These are very light, and you can see the colors. We can do any kind of pastel colors, and these are used for tubulars. That means like you can fold the leather, make into the tubular ones actually. The next article in the lightweight leathers is Planche. This article is very soft, supple, and a very warm feel on the leather. It is good for ankle boots, the full boots, and this is being in a lightweight leathers with a bigger sizes like 6 to 9 square feet. It can be used for boots as well actually. The next category of leathers what we are going to see is the eco-friendly leathers. These are chrome-free leathers and metal-free leathers. What is the advantage of using chrome-free and metal-free leathers? These leathers, when we make these leathers, the amount of water used in the process is less when compared to the normal chrome leathers. And the second one is the amount of process lead time, process timing of these leathers is much lesser than the normal leathers. And third one is the total dissolved waste which is going to the effluent is 30 to 40% lesser than the normal leathers. And if you use 1 square feet of chrome free or metal free leathers, you can able to save 1 liter of water to the environment. That is the amount of energy, natural resources which is being saved. So we will now take into the different articles which are made from the chrome free or metal free categories. This is chrome free or metal free suedes. This is chrome free nubuck. The next leather is chrome free Bella. This is basically a super soft made from the chrome free, and with buttery touch to it. You can feel on the leather. Since it is made from a single base, you can see the light pastel tones and also the darker colors. It gives a bright elegance and brilliance to the natural looking shoes. As we have seen in our initial presentation, the chrome free leathers, it comes under regenerate concept and the themes. You can see the chrome free, this is a basic chrome free sheep which comes into a very basic colors, the nature of the colors, the greens and the olives and light greens and ochres. This is one of the great commercial element which is priced at around 210 on that range. The last article in the chrome free is Lua chrome free. So this is a very high end article. It is with a very natural finish, and you can do, and it takes the shoe absorption finish very much, and it looks very good on a very high end shoes. The next category what we are going to see is the biodegradable leathers. This is also a part of regenerate, the theme what we have shown earlier. What we mean by biodegradable leathers? Normally all leathers are biodegradable. Then what is special in the biodegradable leathers? For normal leathers, it takes 12 to 18 months or 20 months to biodegrade, but these biodegradable leathers can biodegrade into 2 to 3 months time. And in the normal leathers, even if they biodegrade, there are some chemicals like polyurethane resins and phenolics. It takes a longer time and it's little harmful to the nature and the soil. But in while making biodegradable leathers, we use the extracts for the tanning. We use the extracts from the leaves and from the nuts. So these are easily biodegradable, and we never use a strong resins or polyurethanes which is harmful to the nature. So this is the advantage of biodegradable leathers. I will walk you through 6 of our articles which are biodegradable characters. The first article what we are going to see is a Metro Goat. This is a full wedge and biodegradable leathers. The great characters of this article is it strongly reacts and burnish basically, and this is a very good item for using the sandals, and it is kept at a price point of $1.5 $1.6, and it is a great replacement for the sandals when using the cow leathers. The next article what we are going to see is Goat Venetia. This is a vintage goat article with a burnish effect which is good for the dress casuals. The limitation of this article is we cannot make into very bright colors. The next article is Goat Merino. This is basically a eco-friendly leathers with a modern age look, and this is derived from a tropical age of molten dyes. You can see the brightness of the colors. The next item is Sheep Cyrus. This is a full wedge leather, but for lighter colors we use the chrome free base, and it have a very great burnishability. What we are going to see next is Sheep Eclipse. This is a fine mill tumble grain article, but we can make into any lighter to darker colors. The last item in biodegradable category is Stromboli. This is a metallic leather which is strong bold grain. You can see the two-tone, and it makes into a classic woman shoes. The next category what we are going to see is the Bianco collections. Here you can see like this is Capra Napa Perlato. This is with metallic, and this is Capra Frisetta. This is with a milled goat. So it gives a complete texture in the goat range, Capra range. In continuation to the goat white ranges, this is ranges in the sheep white. Sheep Napa White, Sheep Napa Perlato, Imola Napa Perlato, and Imola Frisetta. These are the different ranges. This is once again a kind of casual looking. So these 6 articles contribute to a complete Bianco collection from our SS2022 collections. The next set of collections what we are going to see is Fedora cluster. These are the lining clusters. Here we have multiple articles. One is a chrome free sheep lining, then Fedora Palma Classy, Fedora Rome, Fedora Silsila. Chrome free sheep lining. You can see like this chrome free sheep lining where the chrome content is less than 100 ppm. We can make into any of the colors in this. The next is Fedora Palma and Fedora Palma Glossy. This is goat lining and the goat lining glossy. You can see the difference in the shine level to it, and these are used as commercial points and at a very price competitive range. This is Fedora Rome. This is basically a basic sheep lining with a very competitive price range, and it can be with a very good texture and softness to it. The last article in the Fedora cluster is Fedora Silsila. This is basically a heel grip. The next category what we are going to see are prints and fantasies. The first article is Flamingo Perlato. Here this is a classic goat article with a classic look to it. Very good article for the ladies shoes. The next article is Goat Maya. This is with a waxy leather with a pearlized effect, and it gives a very casual looks on the classic shoes. The third article is Goat Shasha. This is finished on a suede side with a pearlized effect to it. This is one of the new foil from Italian collections. It is iridescent foil. You can see the three-tone pearl effect, that is the rainbow in these colors. This is basically a kind of crackle foil to it. This can be made in any colors with the foil availability. These are animal print foils. One is with the crocodile and one is with the lizard one. Crocodile, you can see the kind of two tones which is appearing on the leather, and with the lizard you can see the brightness and the foil colors, which makes a unique collection to the latest trends and collections. These are the kind of distressed prints and foils you can see from the collections. Like this is a unique foil collection with a kind of new trends and fashion technologies. And the next article is a distressed foil. This we can make into any kind of suedes, and we can get an uniform transparent foils. This and unique trends and the fashions, like what we have seen in the concepts and themes, like the floral prints. It comes with an unique colors, and you can choose the colors, the flowers and the leaves, and we can able to do it for you. This is a new article, Cascata. Basically this is from a appearance of worn out jeans or like waterfall kind of character. You can see we can make it in different colors, and it is a great combination as a kind of combination of garments and all the items. Now the last category what we see is some of the new emboss and prints which are coming to it. You can see like the textures which is coming to it. You can have a close look. We can do it on suedes or the grain articles, just to show an idea how it looks with the new matching with the new trends and fashions. Thanks everyone for watching Sunshine and Avanti and Prara Limited Leather Group Spring Summer collections. Trust you have seen all the articles. If you have any further queries, you can contact the material team, or you can please feel free to get in touch with us, and we would be pleased to revert back. Thank you. Stay safe. Thank you very much.